Wanna know how to use the ODM gear in PUBG Mobile in the Steampunk Frontier event? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, you need to get some ODM gears. So for that, you can visit different locations as is shown in the map, maybe the train as well, and the ether home. And once you've equipped, this should be something like this right here. So it should be on your grenade section, and it should look something like this. Now just simply select it, and on the right side it shows your fuel level. So just simply press the fire icon anywhere on your UI, and after that is done, it will grapple you up to that location right here. So right here you can also see this icon, so this attacks. So if you simply select this icon right here, it should start attacking just like this, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So make sure you have gasoline as well. So if you don't have gasoline, you can also collect it and loot it through various homes and ether alarms as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.